Let's go! I'm not even reading this, not doing anything. Just trying to block it out. Trying to block it out. There's not sit here and just learn your controls. Move faster and shit. So you know what you're doing.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we had to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you and past you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to suit you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, boo. But, you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline. In trying to make the place feel vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. Yeah, I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
That's not even... Oh, man. The piece is almost broken. Piece of just being knowing that you're safe. As far it looks so dingy out there, doesn't it? Got your nose, guys! No! I can't do anything to my nose. I wonder if I can lick myself to yes, I can touch it. I can touch the wall. Not like that. God kill me. Oh dear, you're a ball bag. I'm not scared of my basement. Oh, fuck off. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, I got some potatoes down there. Are you excited? No. Wait, what? For download. Oh, yeah. Yeah, download should be good. And the piece has just been broken. Damn shit face. What the hell? You sound like aliens. That's how much I despise this game. I despise this game. Don't get killed. Shit. You're such a comedian. Yeah, obviously, because the average one. Hey! I love you though. I'm only out. Kiss my trap is a faggot. Kiss my trap and
some news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. These are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello. Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much-needed information on how to handle/climb into/climb out of mascot costumes. Right now, we have two specially designed suits that double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents/injury/death/irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we will discuss how to operate the mascots when they are in animatronic form. For ease of operation, the animatronics are set to turn and walk towards sound cues. This is an easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment/crowd value. To change the animatronic to this mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside. Please make sure the spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
That'd be so funny if I like ended up like going focus and then walking through.
Hi.
Check vents. I keep forgetting about oh no, there's a big audio error. There's an audio error. The more you say it, the more confused I'll get. There's audio error. The more I say it, the more freaking tongue-tied I get. Who's there? He's right there. You don't need to do anything. Just click off. You go. No.
Hi.
Segments. Oh, he's right. Look out there, nobody's staring at him. God! Why? Because scary things I do know. Oh wait, does Boom Boy turn up? It's their camera's too long. Oh no! Oh, did you see him then? Yep. Why is he in there? Oh god. I'm so glad you didn't pick it up straight away. I'm nervous, guys. Shit. Look over there. This is bullshit. It's not bullshit. I'm scared. Bullshit. You know what you gotta do. And then you need to. Yeah, you know what you gotta do. Yeah, I'm almost panicky now. I'm not. Oh, shiz. I did the. Oh, wait. Did 2 happen at the same time? Yeah. I think I just did 2 at the same time. I don't know what you did. No, I went looking. I was too busy panicking.
Hello?
Yeah. Check vents. Stop forgetting about the bleeding vents. It's not my fault. They're just not a big part of this. Click it. You gotta click it, you idiot. Like what? Click the vent he was in. Oh, I don't know what vent he was in. Oh, we're so dead. Oh. Play the music in the break.
Hello?
Oh! Shit, we're not gonna do this. We're on 5 AM too. It's happening. Something's going wrong. and he's gonna stand there, and he's gonna be like, hey, how you doing? And then he's gonna come like, I'm gonna eat it. And he's gonna be all scary and shit. Uh-oh. It's happening. It's happening. I called it. What's happening? I'm just not looking. Okay? I'm gonna have to look. Because this is happening. No. I'm not looking.
Rule 5 AM 2. We could have made it to night 3.
What an asshole. We're gonna do this one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna put myself through this ever again. You ready? One more time.
Tough shit, no.
Anyway,
Shit.
look at my finger, guys. It looks minging. It feels weird.
Like my ink.
Hi.
Hey!
Yeah.
What? Pizza is Italian, not French. You want buongiorno?
He's not there, he's not going there.
Oh god, play the music again. then.
Hello.
I don't understand what you have to do with this.
You've got to click on the vent that he's in. And it seals it so you can't get through.
Well, he's a faggot.
You're a faggot. Stop saying that word.
I'm sorry.
Hello.
Oh. I mean, in England it's a food, but in other places it's offensive.
I called,
Prick. You called him right to us, didn't you?
I called him in that by accident.
You wanted to
Hi.
put it in there, check the vents. This game is awful. For real. I don't like it. It makes me feel too panicky. And then when I get
If Mom
panicky-
played this, it would be so funny. Like,
Hello.
Error after error. Fuck you, game. You saw it.
shit!
Play the audio in the fucking room. There's another fucking error.
I'm just gonna.
It's right there. This is the last time, guys. We're gonna die. So this is the last thing I'm gonna do. This is the last thing she's gonna do.
Let's
I'm ending this because I can't do this. My heart can't take it. I'm gonna die.
I'm just leaving handle it. Yep.
You
Probably
just
eyes.
stood there.
Hi.
I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do this.
Let's go to my basement.
Oh my god, did you see that? Sneaky little bastard! I'm not doing this tomorrow. This is like the shortest gaming vault I have done, and I'm so sorry, guys, but I can't do this. I can't do this, guys.
At this rate, we're gonna have a heart attack.
Look at me. I can't. Look at that. I can't do this, so. I'm so sorry. And RIP from users. But, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, I appreciate it. If you did like this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the community on my social media. So,